guys, who do we have here today? Guys, those are some crazy harnesses that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Golfing.
Golfing! He's here for the golf tournament.
Harnessless jump.
Is this all of your first skydive?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Nervous?
No.
Oh, just me, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna go get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, do 120 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words or final confessions?
I peed in his shoes when I was little.
Yeah, that's a great final confession. I haven't heard that one yet. Anything back?
I'm sure you will find out.
You like it? Yeah. Oh dang, somebody's in trouble. It's a good thing that you don't need those last words. We are coming back, guys. Let's go have some fun out there.
All right, you ready for this?
I am.
You're crazy.
I am.
Yeah, you better be to survive this. Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go? Yeah, buddy, let's go rock a skydive. Here we go. Yeah! Fun, huh?
Oh, yeah.
About to get better. Hold this one down. Look at the camera.
Woo!
Hold up one down. Hold this one down. Hold it down.
Drive through.
There you go. What do you think?
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
You have fun?
Yeah.
You gonna do that again?
Sure.
You did awesome. Skydive Colorado Springs. This could be you. Woo.